Manual white balance setting tutorial for Android phones, step by step. There are only two camera apps for Android phones with manual white balance settings, Open Camera and Camera FV5. There are billions of people in this world taking pictures with their mobile phones and cameras, but only a handful of top camera photography masters know how to use the top camera function of manual white balance to take good photos that everyone loves. Let's first watch this simple demonstration video to understand why top photographers must use manual white balance to take photos and videos. In just 15 seconds, there are thousands of changes in the colors of green leaves and red flowers in the same scene. However, the color of the scene only has one correct and true live color. This is the inevitable result of using the automatic white balance, AWB, of your camera or mobile phone to take pictures. In different scenes, you will take photos and videos with color distortion. Is it difficult to set manual white balance on your mobile phone? No. Manual white balance operation is very easy and fast, just set it every hour outdoors. However, it is very difficult to have a white balance tool with correct physical optical principles. Open Camera app is a free photography application with manual white balance function that can be used on Android phones. Manual white balance can be performed when taking photos and videos. The tools we use are the world's only Directivity White Balance Magic Filter DCC20 and the full color spectrum that simulates the world's comprehensive colors. First, enter the Open Camera main screen and enter the setting panel. Second, press on screen GUI. Third, select the checkmark Show Auto White BA. Fourth, in this way, the WB button can appear on the main screen. This action only needs to be done once. Fifth, WB appears in the upper left corner. Unlock means it is in AWB state. Sixth, aim the lens at the richest and most complex areas of the environment, or at the full color spectrum. Seventh, place the DCC filter hole facing outward and cover the front of the phone's lens, as shown in the picture. And press the WB button smoothly to perform manual white balance lock action. Eighth, the WB symbol here is locked and turns red, indicating that the manual white balance is locked. Ninth, you can remove the DCC filter immediately and start shooting. What are the benefits of taking photos with manual white balance? These are two photos taken with an Oppo phone. The light green wall taken with AWB turns into light blue. Using a DCC filter and a full color spectrogram for manual white balance, all the colors of the photos taken are exactly the same as the live colors seen by the visual nerve. What you see is what you get. What's more, the unfortunate phenomenon of varying degrees of color shift caused by moving the camera angle will not occur like in this video. Next are the steps for manual white balance of Camera FV5. First, enter the main screen of Camera FV5. Second, press AWB key to enter the white balance menu. Third, aim the lens at the richest and most color complex areas of the environment, or at the full color spectrum. Fourth, place the DCC filter hole facing outward and cover the front of the phone's lens, as shown in the picture. Fifth, press the WB button lightly to perform manual white balance lock action. Sixth, the WB symbol here is displayed as locked, indicating that the manual white balance is locked. Seventh, you can immediately remove the DCC filter and start shooting. Welcome to visit our webpage for detailed product information. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us. We welcome all business cooperation.